channel voguetrends. This is Anuja and in today's video I am going to show you a party makeup look done on my sister by me. So without any further wait, let's get into the video.
Want your hands on me, down my waist and up my spine. Boy, you got me craving. I got one thing that's on my mind. Come on, move your body, let's get naughty. Moving to the rhythm, let's groove. Come on everybody, start the party. Dancing to the sunlit moon. Baila, baila, move it right now. You know it's got me feeling sexy. Come on, papi, know you want me. Yeah, I know it's got you going crazy. Move your body, feeling naughty. Moving to the rhythm, let's groove. Baila, baila, move it right now. You know it's got you going crazy. Yeah, I'm going crazy. Got me feeling for your love. Boy, my heart is racing. Got me dreaming of your touch. Come on, move your body, let's get naughty. Moving to the rhythm, let's groove. Come on everybody, start the party. Dancing to the sunlit moon. Makes me feel alive. Dancing through the summer nights. Move your body, let's get naughty. Moving to the rhythm, let's groove. Come on everybody, start the party. Dancing to the sunlit moon. Baila, baila, move it right now. You know it's got me feeling sexy. Come on papi, know you want me. Yeah, I know it's got you going crazy. Move your body, feeling naughty. Moving to the rhythm, let's groove. Baila, baila, move it right now. You know it's got you going crazy.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chest.
you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on.
So guys, hope you like this video and found this video helpful to you. If you do, so please like this video, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your family and friends. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Mwah.